Hi everybody, Nika here, and I'm about to show you how to make the awesomest, squishiest thing ever. Okay? It's a squishy bun, but not with that squishy dumb clay that never works, with this special type of clay. Take a look, please. Squishy, super squishy. And you will love this tutorial. Okay, shall we begin? Okay guys, so what you're going to be needing is a tool like this, some of this stuff, I'll put in the description box below, and this. You're going to need both of these. It's called bouncy putty. Okay, you're going to be needing that. So what you're going to do is take the yellow and there's the creative channel. And you are going to mix it with the pink and mix it well, and it should look like this. Okay? So then make it into a circle. Oh, and if you don't have this, that's totally fine. Don't worry about it. You can just use like a toothpick or something sharp. Okay? Okay? Just keep making what you're doing. You know, making a ball. Going until you get one pure color, like I showed you. Okay? Here's my ball. Make sure you have no cracks. I have a little crack right there, but that's fine. Whatever. And then, hold on a second. Okay, so now we have this. Now we are going to take it. Okay, now you're going to take it. You're going to make a bun shape, okay? Make some buns. Bun shape. Okay. You're going to take your tool or a toothpick, which is a tool size. You're going to make lines. I'll show you in just a second up close, okay? Like this. Okay? And then going to shape it in more like a bun. Come on. And make some at the bottom too. And if you would like, you could take some paint and make it burned on the bottom, like it looks burned. Okay, and here it is. You're going to like let it dry for a couple minutes. And then it's going to become super squishy. Like I have here. Open it up. And kablamo! Squishy, bouncy, light, and you'll love it. Okay? Because I do. Remember, let your imagination and your creativity lead you. Have your own red or purple carpet. Okay. Thanks guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. And check out more of my videos on the creative channel. Okay? Tell me how it turned out. It should turn out great because mine did. And I'll let you take another look. You can also take some of this putty and put it in molds. Okay? So here it is. After a while, become super squishy. Super squishy. Don't want to squeeze too hard, unless you can, but whatever. Okay, hope you all enjoy. And that squishy clay that everybody made does not work. I tried it before, and it just made cracks, right? This is the best way to make a squishy bun. The best. I'm not even joking. This is just the best way. You don't have to waste your money buying them in stores because you can just make yourself. This is the best squishy bun you'll ever find, and I'm not even joking. Okay? I'll lead you through some of the things that I have made. Okay? I have made this other one that's super squishy. This Pac-Man thing. Other Pac-Man thing. The ghost thing that the Pac-Man, that chases the Pac-Man. This all-time bestseller. This cape. Has a lot of texture. And this fail. But it's super squishy. Okay. And this ball. Okay. That didn't bounce very well. Okay. So, hope you all enjoyed. And watch me more on the creative channel. You probably can't see from so far back, but yeah. I'll make more videos, and trust me, you won't be disappointed. Sorry. Okay.